Hello, this is Jackie with JNN Reviews, and today I am just excited to review this Aura's Amazing Herbal, and it's makeup remover. It's 4 ounces of makeup remover, and it has clean ingredients, only 8 clean ingredients. Some of them are coconut oil, grapeseed oil, domestic beeswax, licorice root, castor oil, and this is how it looks. It has also vitamin E and shea butter. So since it's very oily, a little bit goes a long way. So this is how it looks inside. It looks like a wax, but I would like to demonstrate it here. So let's say that I apply a little bit of makeup on my hand. So this is like foundation, as you can see here. And this is lipstick, as you can see here. What you want to do is apply, this is the makeup remover. So what you want to do is apply it in circular motions, because all the ingredients that I mentioned and all the oils is just melts away all the makeup, as you can see here. And with a cotton swab that I'm going to use here, you remove it. This is how the same process that you would do on your face. And it's good, as you can see here, my skin is hydrated, it's not dry, and it feels clean. It basically removes everything that I just applied for the sample. So because it has the natural ingredients, it's going to leave your skin hydrated. So circular motions, and you can just wipe it off and enjoy a moisturizing cleansing balm. This is how it looks. I only use a little bit. That's all you need to use. So this bottle is going to last you a long time. I hope you check it out. It's great. It feels amazing. Clean ingredients. It doesn't have it doesn't have a smell, but it's okay. I mean, it does a great job, and I like how the skin feels after using it. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching.